The founder of Peace and National Unity, leader of nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Commander-in-Chief Armed Forces of the Republic of Tajikistan, General of the Army Emomali Rahmon, and Chairman of Supreme Parliament of the Republic of Tajikistan, Chairman of Dushanbe Rustami Emomali, in Firdausi area, bodyguards of the State Committee for National Security of the Republic of Tajikistan visited Poytaht Training Center of border troops. It should be noted that the Poytaht Training Center is intended for the training of junior specialists of soldiers and sergeants and retraining of personnel and leadership of border troops of State Committee for National Security of the Republic of Tajikistan. The leader of nation, Emomali Rahmon, put into operation the shooting training center Poytaht. Officers mainly train soldiers in the proper use of various firearms and nuances of shooting. At the same time, this training is designed to improve the skills and professionalism of officers. During the acquaintance, the head of the state, Emomali Rahmon, highly evaluated the created condition in this military academy and gave useful recommendations for further improvement and strengthening professional skills of servicemen, especially officers and soldiers of border troops. The head of the state was informed that military personnel, including miners, communicators, sonologists, drivers, signalmen, medical instructors, and shooters, have been trained in 19 specialties at Poytaht Training Center border troops. The President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, gave specific instructions to leadership and command of law enforcement agencies of the country on training highly qualified military personnel and improving the experience of officers and soldiers. According to the leader of nation, Emomali Rahmon, the border troops of Tajikistan were established in a very difficult condition of the first years of state independence of the country without material and technical base. With the constant support and attention, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Supreme Commander-in-Chief Armed Forces General of Army Emomali Rahmon, the material and technical base of the border troops has been improved. Today, the border troops has been formed as a reliable support of state and is at the forefront of maintaining peace and stability throughout the country, combating smugglers. The revival of nature in spring season complements a beauty to the life of people. The nature flourishes, the image of Dushanbe becomes more beautiful. Due to beautifying the capital of the country in 2021, within the capital 226,000 sprouts of trees, such as more than 5,000 sprouts of trees have been imported abroad of the state, thus 23 million seasonal flowers have been planted. According to analysis, within the past several years, more than 600,000 bushes of trees, such as 26,000 sprouts of trees have been delivered to the capital. 58 million seasonal flowers have decorated the capital of the country. Therefore, Dushanbe have become a fabulous city that attracts the hearts of millions of domestic and foreign visitors. Since early years of independence, the government of the Republic of Tajikistan attaches great importance to the development of the capital of the country. Dushanbe is a political and cultural city. Within the past several years, executive body and state authority of Dushanbe attaches great importance to beautification measures and provides worthy life to the residents of the capital. According to analysis, only in 2021, 182 festive establishments at the amount of 7 billion samani have been given into commission, such as hospitals, education institutions, business centers, cultural and recreational parks. The streets and avenues have been beautified. In this regard, Dushanbe has become a fabulous place, the city of peace, cohesion, as well as the city of hopes for Tajik people. At the same time, by the initiate government of the Republic of Tajikistan, decorative sprouts of trees have been imported, which will be planted within highway streets, avenues, cultural and recreational places. Flower sprouts and decorative flowers complements beauty to the image of the city. On the other hand, it is so beneficial for human health. Henceforth, the residents can enjoy the magnificent beauty of these beautiful flowers. According to General Plan Dushanbe City, constructive beautification actions are proceeding in a high velocity. The image of Dushanbe is becoming more and more beautiful. According to statistic data in 2021, 227 athletic establishments have been given into commission. 60 of them consist of children playgrounds. Nowadays, the residents of the capital, particularly young and adolescents, fruitfully utilize from. It should be noted that the sportsmen of the city take part in the Republican and international tournaments and receive 9,000 medals. Last year, Dushanbe has been heralded as the cultural capital CIS countries. More than 300 political and cultural events took place in the city. Due to state independence, Dushanbe has become prosperous city. The constructive policy leader of nation, president of the country, as well as beautification initiates mayor of Dushanbe. Today, the capital of the country has become prosperous and beautiful that attracts the hearts of foreign and domestic visitors.